So hello guys and welcome back to a new video with me, and today's video is gonna be something which I'm gonna share you in my experience. What are we not allowed to do as a cabin crew while we are in our work or in our uniform? So without any further ado, let's get started in the video. First thing is we're not allowed to eat or drink anything in the passenger's view. क्या होता है ना कि जब हम लोग कुछ खाते हैं या चबाते हैं तो ऐसे हो सकता है कि पैसेंजर्स हमारे पास आके ये पूछे कि मैम कैन यू हेल्प अस विद दिस, कैन यू लेट अस नो वेयर इज द लैबोरेटरी, और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं उस टाइम. इफ यू गोइंग टू देम एंड टॉकिंग व्हाइल वी ईटिंग, इट लुक्स सो वियर्ड, राइट? लाइक आपके पास भी अगर कोई खाते खाते बात करे तो इट लुक्स सो वियर्ड, लाइक पहले खा लो या तो बात कर लो. दैट्स द सिंपल थिंग. और something might be stuck on your teeth which will look next point weird is so that please do not give tip to cabin crew. We are not allowed to take tips or gifts from the passengers. ऐसा नहीं कि we don't love to take gifts. Obviously किसी को भी gifts लेना बहुत पसंद है, but क्या होता है ना, I understand your gesture कि हाँ आपको किसी का सर्विस पसंद हो या आपको किसी का वर्क पसंद हो, किसी का काम पसंद हो, किसी का कुछ भी पसंद हो, तो वी गिव देम टिप्स, राइट? इट्स नॉट दैट वी थिंक देम लाइक दे आर लोअर देन अस और समथिंग, बट हाँ अच्छा लगे तो टिप्स देना अच्छा लगता है. बट येस, आई एम सेइंग यू वी अर्न वेल, एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट अर्निंग वेल. अ कंपनी डजंट अलाउज अस टू टेक टिप्स बिकॉज बुरा लगता है यार. आई एज अ कैबिन क्रू आई एम सेइंग यू, प्लीज किसी को मतलब किसी कैबिन क्रू को टिप्स मत दीजिए because it feels very bad. Like, yeah, we love to serve you all, we are there for your safety, your help, so it looks very bad when you all give tips. And about gifts इसीलिए allowed नहीं है कि see, I understand कि हर इंसान एक जैसे नहीं है, हर किसी का मोटिव एक जैसा नहीं है, but there are also some bad and cruel people in this world, right? जो to harm you or your company may wrap something such which you will open and कुछ और हो सकता है. So the third point is we are not allowed to sleep. So हम लोग क्या कभी नहीं सोते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. We sleep on our time, but we are not allowed to sleep in the flight. Because क्या होता है ना कि we are kept there for your safety. अब इंसान बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं ये तो मेकअप करके आ जाती है बस ऐसा वैसा, but there's nothing such like that. Our main aim to be there on the flight is for your safety. आप लोगों को ये नहीं पता होगा कि फ्लाइट का डोर कैसे खुलता है, कहाँ पे पानी रखा हुआ है, क्या छूने से क्या हो सकता है. फॉर दैट वी आर केप्ट देयर. एंड अगर वी स्लीप सो कुछ ना कुछ हो सकता है, लाइक यू ऑल मे नीड सम हेल्प और समथिंग, एंड आप लोग बिना बोले बिना जाने कुछ खोल सकते हैं या कुछ भी कर सकते हैं विच मे नॉट बी योर इंटेंशन, बट बाय मिस्टेक एंड अ बिग rupture can happen. So that is the reason, yes, we are also given time to sleep in our flight. If it is a long duration flight like 8 hours, 10 hours, 9 hours, तो हाँ हम लोग बारी बारी में सोते हैं, that's allotted. But yeah, when we are in a jump seat, we are not allowed to sleep. So the fourth thing is we are not allowed to wear any extra piece of jewelries. आप लोग देखे होंगे कि cabin crew क्या होता है ना, they wear a small tops earrings with them, and they don't have any bangles or any neck piece or any other things. We just have a ring, that too we wear the ring, that too the fingers are designated कि इस finger में इतना सारा ring पहना जा सकता है. Mostly we wear 2 to 3 rings, not more than that, and that too also should be a specific type of ring. See, incident or accident doesn't take time to happen, right? कि I'm opening the overhead bin or I'm opening something और मेरा ये long earring जो मैं suppose I'm wearing a long earring and जो stuck हो गया, तो what will I do then? Like I have to, oh my god, I don't think about also that. Like वो पूरा इतना pain करेगा and it will be so bad, right? And leave about the pain, okay, it's okay, but अगर that earring gets stuck in some or the other place in aircraft where जिससे वो बाहर नहीं आ सकता है या तो stuck हो जाने से वो खत्म वहीं पे. So it's better for the aircraft safety, for your safety, for our safety, for everyone's safety, we don't wear extra piece of jewelries. And so now the fifth point is like we are not allowed to change our uniform while we are in our work. ऐसे भी खत्म हो गया, we have landed and we are in the airport and now मैं बोलती हूँ चलो let's take off my scarf, अभी तो कुछ कोई देख नहीं रहा है and it's bothering me a lot, let's just take it off. So we should not do that. Let's open our hair, let's take off our hat. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए and we are not allowed to do that because we are representing a company, a brand. We are the brand ambassador of that company. So अगर 4 crew चल रहे हैं with a hat and uniform and full like everything, all the accessories, and एक ने बाल खोल के ऐसे बस चलते लगी, so it will look so weird guys, it will look very weird कि कैसी crew है. People might think like people always has a thinking like कि एक crew मतलब she is always tip to top from up to down. So अगर मैं scarf खोल दूँ या मैं hat खोल दूँ, it doesn't looks good and we are not allowed to do it. Even while we are in a cab, अगर मैं घर जा रही हूँ, होटल जा रही हूँ and we feel like कोई तो देख नहीं रहा है ना, let's open it, but still आस पास के पड़ोसी भी देख रहे हैं ना, have a thinking like कि ऐसे होते हैं, ऐसे सजते हैं. So why to give them a bad thinking or a bad thought about us? We are only allowed to open it when we reach to a designated place like a hotel room. Or now the 6th point is we are not allowed to chew a chewing gum. It is too weird guys. Chewing gum? In fact कुछ भी chew नहीं करना चाहिए. I remember in my work time I have never done that. Discreetly do that. Why to like सबके सामने ऐसा करना? It looks so bad. And like it looks like you are like फुकरे types. आप घूमने आए हो, you are not in the work and वो uniform का आप you are not valuing only that uniform. Have you ever seen a police officer like an IPS officer or an army personnel chewing gum while they are in a uniform? Never, because वो शोभा नहीं देता है. So that is the reason you're not allowed to chew chewing gums. So now the 7th point is we are not allowed to open our shoes in front of passengers. So now you'll ask, what is the problem? Like, why do you all open your shoes? So the problem is that while we are not in the aircraft, while we are in a ground, we wear a heel shoes. And when we are inside the aircraft, we need to change our shoes to the flat ones. While turbulence or service or working inside the aircraft, moving inside the aircraft, we don't face problem. Heel shoes पहन के आप कभी भी ज़्यादा देर तक काम नहीं कर सकते हो. And we are only allowed to change our shoes inside the lavatory or discreetly, not near the passengers, because see we know our procedures. After opening the shoes we wash our hands properly, but passenger क्या सोचेंगे ना कि यार वही shoes छू के and she's serving us. It's better not to change your shoes near the passengers. The 8th point is we are not allowed to make any passengers stand in front of the galley or in the galley. What happens? Passengers doesn't know. It's not their fault. Yeah, it's their fault when they don't listen to us, but it's not their fault. वो लोग सब जान के नहीं आते. We have undergone through those 3 months of training, the rigorous training of 3 months. We know what can happen. क्या छूने से क्या होता है, क्या कहाँ हाथ लगाने से क्या होता है. And please don't stand in the galley because passenger कभी-कभी ऐसे भी होते हैं कि हाथ टिका के they will stand and हाँ they will बात करने लग जाएंगे. But they don't know कि अगर डोर के हैंडल में हाथ टिका के they will stand. No, डोर अगर खुल गया ना तो तौबा it's never happened with anyone, but it's never happened with me also, but it should never happen. And so we are not allowed to make any passenger stand. 9th point is we are not allowed to open the medical kit. आप लोग बोलते हैं आप ट्रेन फर्स्ट एडर है, आप लोग फ्लाइट सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखते हैं, so मेडिकल क्यों नहीं खोलेंगे? We are trained first aiders and we are not doctors. So for us, there are, आप लोगों को बताने के लिए, there are 2 kits in the aircraft. One is the kit and one is the medical kit. So the first aid kit is for us. वो हम लोग जब चाहे तब खोल सकते हैं if the passenger needs anything from there. So and we'll mention that in the form. But there's also a kit named medical kit which only a doctor can open because that is only for the doctor and he will know what are there and what are not there. फर्स्ट एडर होने में और एक डॉक्टर होने में बहुत डिफरेंस है. Use CPR, yes we can use AED, yes we can first aid you, yes we can deliver a baby, but there are some more processes after that also, which your doctor will understand better than us. So that medical kit is for the doctor, and he'll make the announcement. The doctor will come and check his proofs and all, and then he'll go to the last but not the least is we are not allowed to deplane from the aircraft till each and every passenger's deplane. क्योंकि भाई ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि किसी किसी पैसेंजर को कुछ भी छूट जाता है एयरक्राफ्ट में, एंड अगर क्रू डिप्लेन हो गया एंड पैसेंजर डजंट नोज वेयर टू फाइंड इट और कहाँ रख दिया, सब कुछ इधर उधर कर दिया ना, so it will be a very big blunder for us. All about what we are not allowed to do as a cabin crew inside the aircraft or while we are in our work. This is the part 1 of the video, and अगर आपको part 2 भी जानना है तो I will surely do it. Please comment, and if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and take care. Bye, be safe. Bye.